Welcome to this comprehensive guide on cloud monitoring, Google Cloud Platform's powerful observability solution. In this video, we'll explore how Google Cloud Monitoring helps you gain complete visibility into your cloud infrastructure and applications. Whether you're managing virtual machines, databases, or containerized applications, cloud monitoring provides the tools you need to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive in and discover how this service can transform the way you monitor and manage your cloud resources. Cloud monitoring is Google Cloud's comprehensive observability platform that automatically collects metrics, logs, and traces from your cloud infrastructure and applications. Think of it as your eyes and ears in the cloud, constantly watching over your resources and services. It was formerly known as Stackdriver Monitoring, and many professionals still refer to it by that name. This platform provides real-time insights into how your applications are performing, helping you detect issues before they impact your users. The beauty of cloud monitoring is that it starts collecting data as soon as you deploy resources on Google Cloud, requiring minimal setup to get started. Cloud monitoring is built on three fundamental pillars of observability. First, we have metrics, which are time series data points collected from your resources. These include measurements like CPU usage, memory consumption, and request rates. Second, there are logs, which are detailed event records and activity data that capture what's happening in your systems. Logs help you understand the story behind the numbers. Third, we have traces, which track the path of requests as they flow through your distributed systems. Together, these three components give you a complete picture of your application's health and performance, enabling you to troubleshoot issues quickly and optimize your infrastructure. The Metrics Explorer is an interactive tool that lets you visualize and analyze metric data in real time. It's like having a powerful microscope for your cloud infrastructure. With Metrics Explorer, you can query and filter metrics based on specific criteria, helping you focus on exactly what matters. You can create custom charts that display data in ways that make sense for your use case, whether that's line graphs, stacked area charts, or heat maps. The tool also supports aggregating and grouping data, allowing you to see patterns across multiple resources or drill down into individual components. This flexibility makes it easy to identify trends, spot anomalies, and understand the relationships between different metrics in your environment. Alerting policies are your early warning system in cloud monitoring. They consist of three key components. First, you define conditions that specify when an alert should trigger, such as when CPU usage exceeds 80% for 5 minutes. Second, you configure notifications to determine how and where alerts are sent. And third, you add documentation that provides context and troubleshooting steps for your team. Cloud monitoring supports multiple notification channels to ensure your team gets alerted through their preferred methods. You can send alerts via email for detailed written notifications, Slack for team collaboration, or PagerDuty for on-call incident management. This flexibility ensures that the right people are notified at the right time, enabling quick response to potential issues. Dashboards are customizable visual displays that bring your monitoring data to life. They provide a centralized view of your system's health and performance, making it easy to understand what's happening at a glance. Cloud monitoring offers pre-built templates for common services like Compute Engine, Cloud SQL, and cloud storage, so you can get started quickly without building everything from scratch. You can also add custom widgets to display exactly the metrics that matter most to your organization. Dashboards update in real time, ensuring you always have the latest information about your resources. Perhaps most importantly, dashboards are shareable, allowing you to create different views for different stakeholders, from operations teams to executives, ensuring everyone has access to the insights they need. Uptime checks are automated tests that monitor the availability and performance of your services from multiple locations around the world. They act as external watchdogs, continuously verifying that your applications are accessible and responding correctly. Cloud monitoring supports three types of uptime checks. HTTP and HTTPS checks verify that your web services are returning the expected responses, including checking for specific content in the response body. TCP checks ensure that network services are listening and accepting connections on specific ports. And custom checks allow you to implement specialized monitoring logic for unique requirements. By running these checks from different geographic regions, you can detect regional outages or performance issues that might only affect certain users, giving you a truly global perspective on your service availability. The Cloud Monitoring Agent, also known as the Ops Agent, is a lightweight software component that you install on your virtual machine instances to collect detailed system and application metrics. While Google Cloud automatically collects some basic metrics from your resources, the agent provides much deeper visibility into what's happening inside your VMs. Installing the agent is straightforward. You download a script from Google's Cloud Agents repository, then run it with administrative privileges to install and start the agent. Once installed, the agent begins collecting detailed metrics about CPU usage, memory utilization, disk input-output, network traffic, and process-level statistics. This granular data is invaluable for troubleshooting performance issues and understanding resource consumption patterns at a detailed level. Cloud monitoring organizes metrics into 4 main categories. System metrics track the fundamental health of your infrastructure, including CPU utilization, memory usage, disk performance, and network activity. These are the building blocks of infrastructure monitoring. Application metrics focus on how your software is performing, measuring things like request rates, response latency, and error counts. These metrics help you understand the user experience. Custom metrics are user-defined measurements specific to your business needs. For example, you might track the number of orders processed, items in a shopping cart, or any other business-specific indicators that matter to your organization. Finally, service metrics are automatically collected from Google Cloud Platform services, providing insights into managed services like Cloud SQL, cloud storage, and cloud functions without requiring any instrumentation on your part. To get the most value from cloud monitoring, follow these essential best practices. First, set meaningful alert thresholds based on your service's actual behavior and business requirements. Avoid alert fatigue by ensuring thresholds trigger only when action is truly needed. Second, use labels consistently to organize your resources. Labels make it easy to filter, group, and analyze metrics across projects, environments, and teams. Third, create service-level objectives, or SLOs, which define measurable targets for service reliability and performance. SLOs help you balance reliability with the pace of innovation. Fourth, implement log-based metrics to extract quantitative data from your logs. This technique is powerful for tracking application-specific events that might not be available as standard metrics. By following these practices, you'll build a robust monitoring foundation that scales with your cloud infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.